Hey everyone, waving hand, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about upgrading your car with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in dash cam, then you need to see this. This is the Carpuride 4K W903, one of the newest all-in-one smart displays of 2025, combining a 9.3-inch HD touchscreen, wireless smartphone connection, and a 4K front dash cam in one sleek device. 9.3-inch HD IPS touchscreen. The Carpuride W903 comes with a 9.3-inch IPS HD display, giving you crystal-clear visuals and wide viewing angles. It's bright enough for daytime driving and sleek enough to make any dashboard look modern. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more cables cluttering your dashboard. The W903 connects wirelessly to your smartphone, giving you instant access to navigation, music, calls, and messages via Siri or Google Assistant. 4K front dash cam with loop recording. Safety first. This device includes a 4K Ultra HD front camera that records every drive in stunning detail. It features loop recording, a G sensor for collision detection, and autosave for impact footage, perfect for insurance protection. Bluetooth and mirror link. Play your favorite tunes, take calls, or mirror your entire phone screen, even apps that aren't part of CarPlay or Android Auto. That means you can stream YouTube, Netflix, or navigation apps right on the screen. GPS navigation and voice control. It includes built-in GPS for real-time navigation, plus voice control for safe, hands-free operation. Just say, "Hey Siri," or "Hey Google," and you're good to go. All-in-one smart upgrade. This isn't just a CarPlay screen, it's your infotainment system, dash cam, and smart display in one unit. Perfect for older cars without factory touchscreens. Plug-and-play setup. Installation is ridiculously easy, just mount it on your dashboard, plug in the power cable, and you're done. No wiring or tools needed. Excellent display and dash cam quality. The 4K front camera delivers crisp, detailed footage even at night, and the screen is bright with responsive touch controls. Uses AUX or FM for sound. It doesn't have built-in speakers, so you'll need to connect via AUX, Bluetooth, or FM transmitter for audio playback. It works fine, but sound quality depends on your car's system. Boot up delay. When you start your car, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds for the screen to fully power on and connect wirelessly. It's a small wait, but worth mentioning. So, is the Carpuride 4K W903 worth it? If you're looking for an easy-to-install, all-in-one CarPlay and dash cam upgrade, the W903 delivers incredible value. You're getting wireless connectivity, 4K recording, GPS navigation, and a premium 9.3-inch display, all without touching your factory wiring. Check it out using the link below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tech reviews and gadgets every week. Thanks for watching.